Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly communicate with the DigitalGrads team using the super easy messenger on our platform. It works like WhatsApp Messenger, so you will be already familiar with its structure and it will allow you to get responses to your questions effortlessly. As an employer, you can start a conversation with the DigitalGrads team from any of your role's shortlist pages. Once you are logged in on our platform, click the Employers tab on the navigation bar at the top and then go to My Roles. Now, choose the role you would like to talk about by clicking on the Shortlist button next to it. On the next page, you should be able to see a green menu above your shortlisted grads. Click on the Talk to DigitalGrads tab and use the box at the bottom to start a conversation with us about anything you want. If you have already spoken to us or the grad on the platform, you will find the conversation thread in the column on the left-hand side of the messenger. You can also come back to your conversations later by simply clicking the Messages tab in the navigation bar at the top of the website. When you have sent us the message, you can easily navigate back to the shortlist by clicking the icon above the conversation window. Please note that when you choose to speak to the DigitalGrads team using the Talk to DigitalGrads option, it is a two-way conversation between you and the DigitalGrads team, and it's not visible to any candidates. To speak to a candidate, simply go to the shortlist, find the candidate you want to message, and click on the chat button. These conversations are three-way conversations between you, the graduate, and the DigitalGrads team. Now that you know how to use the messenger, you can get quick responses to any burning questions you may have. Don't hesitate to contact us. We're always here and happy to help.